ruined my plans.
Oh,
You need me to do anything here?
could you wipe out the reflector oven, please?
Alright.
Could you please pass me that cup?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Conrad, could you please get me the tin sheet?
With pleasure.
Could you please move the reflector oven closer to the fire?
Of course.